Hey guys, welcome to True Force Machinery. As we all know, we're here to give you real scientific facts of how good those skid steers are. And to do that, we're gonna do some drag race. Ready, set, go! Come on! This is the battle of the turtles over here. They're super fast machine. We might even fast forward it. We gotta be at the finish line to see who crosses it first. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? Who is it gonna be? No! No! Well, ladies and gentlemen, the RS03, maybe because it's being carried by a very skinny guy named Tyler, has won our first race. All right, next in line.